This shit closed. Fuck. Damn. Yo, whoa. Mommy. Y'all see her? I need me a thicker. Oh, she drives. Hold up. I ain't moving. Let me zoom this shit out. Zoom out, boy. Damn, I'm zooming in. Shit. Oh. Damn, y'all. Here she comes, y'all. She coming back out. Come on now, Mr. Mailman. What's up? Mr. Mailman. Mr. Mailman. Hey, what's up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's wrong? How's it going? Why you here by yourself? She coming in. What's up, though?
What's up?
Man, you thick. Nothing. What's up? What's the word to T for my nigga VJ intro and shit? What's up, YouTube? We're here and call with niggas right here. Say, oh, nigga, hold up. I got the earbuds in y'all. Hold up. Y'all said you wanted the vlogs back. Y'all, it's coming back right now. You feel me?
Vlogging, man.
We vlogging, man.
So we can start like just sending our fan base to each other vlogs and shit.
Y'all my vlog right now talking about fan base. Shut y'all selves up, niggas.
What's the word? Tyreek. What you call them? Tyrekians.
Tyreek? What? Honestly, y'all, it's a reaction gang, but we're finna change that shit right now. So we have VJ, we got who else here?
It's a reaction gang, you know. Hey, slap, you know.
I guess they don't want to show themselves up, but we finna go. I'm finna go.
Damn.
Alright, talk your shit, nigga.
Hey, what's up, man? It's your boy Jippy TC, man.
Yeah.
Y'all already know me, nigga.
Yeah, he's in a few reactions.
Yeah, I'm in the Baddie man prank too.
The Baddie man. This nigga, he can't say Baddie man, brother. He can't even say Baddie man, bro.
Y'all know who tracks it. Baddie man, brother.
Baddie man, bro. Oh my gosh. Okay, them niggas got the accent. We got who else we got here?
We got the pedophile tricks here.
The pedophile trick. Oh wow.
Now you got the rapist tricks.
Ooh.
Yo, remember that?
That's crazy.
I rather be called a pedophile than a rapist. Did y'all see what, bro? That's all the comments was talking about, bro. When Trex was doing it in the back, DJ. Yeah.
Anyways, y'all, I'm finna go slide and get me a smoothie right now.
You gotta come get
Finna go slide and get me a smoothie right now. You feel me? So I don't know what's gonna happen today. Just stay tuned for the vlog. It's gonna be lit. Finna turn up for y'all. So
yes, sir.
Stay tuned. He's heard us, yeah, we vlogging. Whoa, what? Time to go. Hey, check the reaction channel out, you feel me? Focus on the phone, boy. Tyreek reacts, check the channel out. But anyways, here the vlog. It's vlog time! Now we're here at Smoothie King right now. I'm finna go get me a quick little smoothie, you feel me? Dog, yo, it's snowing as outside, dog. Like, look at that. I hope y'all saw that, but yeah. Damn, bruh. No. You know, I'm not used to none of this shit, right? This is all. Anyways, Smoothie King right over there. We're finna go get me some smoothie, but check it out. It's like, this is still wild to me. This is like my second winter here. I'm still like wowed by snow. Right now, some tiny snowflakes. I'm here talking to y'all. I think I'm gonna leave y'all in the car. I want to come and get me smoothie with me. You wanna come and get smoothie with me? Alright, pull up and shit. That's crazy though. Look at this shit, bro. Damn. Freezing. Hey, could I get a 20 ounce Caribbean way? Foam cup, please. What flavor y'all get? our #1 seller? The breakfast one? Oh, the angel food? Okay.
Are you a YouTuber?
Oh,
Yes.
it's the obvious.
Thank you very much. Have a good one, guys. Are you a YouTuber? You feel me? You got me some strawberry. Like, you gotta represent for the culture. You feel me? You gotta get the Caribbean way where you dig. You feel me? I really don't know what the vlog do. I really don't know. I be looking rich. I got the Louis mask on and shit.
Stop.
Damn, my shit almost fell. Come on, fuck it. It's cold as hell, y'all. Look at the snow, y'all. That shit, bro. It's cold as
We
fuck,
get it.
bro.
It's no, okay? We get it now. Alright, stop.
That shit cold as fuck. Damn. Yo, whoa. Mommy. Y'all see her? I need me a thicker. Oh, she drives. Hold up. I ain't moving. Let me zoom this shit out. Zoom out, boy. Damn, I'm zooming in. Shit. Oh. I let me get my smoothie up. Molly tell her dry though. I ain't moving. She thick as hell, y'all. I'm finna holler at her. Vlog? I need me a thick, like. Pause. No homo. Caribbean way. Her car cool too. It smell clean. Hold up. Yo, hold up, yo. Her shit clean. Alright. And she by herself. I will be crazy. I'll be crazy if I don't say something to her, y'all. Damn. Let me get my car. Let me start my car. You don't know. Hit that real quick. I'm waiting on her, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm waiting on her. I'm waiting on her. Woo. I'm finna put on a vlog for y'all too. I ain't finna do y'all like that. I'm finna vlog it. You see, they want some vlogs? Y'all getting a vlog. It's cold though. I ain't talking to her outside. She gotta come in my car. She gotta come in. You know what? I'll help y'all out. Fuck, I'll talk to y'all when she's coming back out for me, y'all. They'll say less. It's all good though. Did she go to Smoothie King? Or she went somewhere else though? I got you with the vlog. I know I'm gonna pull this off, but I got you, alright? So yeah, stay tuned. I wanna pee. God damn. What we talking about? Huh? What? Damn, y'all, here she comes, y'all. She coming back out. Okay, she coming back out. Alright. Come on now, Mr. Mailman. What's up? Mr. Mailman. Hey, what's up?
Yes, sir.
What's wrong? How's it going? Why you here by yourself? You got your smoothie, I see that. I just saw y'all got what flavor you got?
Caribbean way.
What? Fuck with the Caribbean vibe, you see what's up? Fuck with it. Oh, you don't know what it says?
No. Can you read it to me?
You're disrespecting the culture, man. What's up? Come on, you don't know what it says? You never heard about Jamaica before?
I heard.
Shit. Why you here by yourself though?
Oh,
I saw you going in there just now like I had to stop you, man. Oh, I'm sorry, it's cold. You wanna come in the car? I really wanna talk to you for a minute.
Stranger danger?
Come on, get in the car. I'm finna steal you. I ain't finna do nothing bad to you. I just wanna talk to you.
You don't know that.
Come on. Damn, she coming in, guys. She coming in. What's up, though?
What's up?
Damn, you thick. Nothing. What's up? Don't get it mixed up now. You got the same flavor as me. Why they gave you more than me, though?
Cause
Anyways.
I'm a girl.
Mm.
I don't care about y'all boys.
You don't care about us.
They
You're
don't
talking to
either.
me though.
They don't either.
You're talking to me though. How's your day going? How your day going?
It's alright.
You still didn't answer
Too
me though.
cold.
Why you here by yourself? Yeah, it's snowing. That's what I'm started looking. I'm like, you are here in the cold. Like, why?
Cause I'm an OG like that.
Oh gee.
Yeah.
But you
I'm
here
just
by
kidding.
yourself. You know, that's a question. Like,
No, I just don't have nobody.
you ain't got nobody.
Mm-mm.
Shit.
I be chilling.
That means you ain't busy then.
I don't think I ever said that.
You ain't busy.
I said that.
You say you be chilling, you ain't got nobody. I'm trying to be that somebody.
Mm.
I'm capping. Let me introduce myself. I'm Tyre, by the way. What's your name?
Tamia.
Tamia. Okay. It's a nice name.
Thanks.
I was looking at your car. I'm like, your car cute as
Thanks,
hell, right? What year is that?
2020.
What?
Yeah.
So why you gotta do me like that? I got a 2019 though, man.
Cause I always gotta stay one step ahead of y'all.
Keep saying y'all. Like, who you talking? Who you
Y'all,
talking to?
all y'all peoples.
Man, that's crazy, bro. You said it got way more Smoothie than me. Look at this shit, y'all. Like, oh damn, I'm sorry. I'm a YouTuber, by the way. I ain't even told you that. Like, I just be vlogging my day to day and shit. I ain't got a problem with that, right?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Don't show me like that though.
Don't show you like that.
No.
Why not?
If you do, you gotta put like the little emoji over people's face that they be doing.
Nope.
That I be seeing in those vlogs and stuff.
Why would I do that?
What you mean, why?
You hella cute. You ain't need to be hidden.
No, I'm looking rough today.
Okay. So you want to get all sexy for a date then?
My nigga.
Day wear.
I don't know where you like to go. I'm not from here, so I don't really know a lot of places. You feel me? So it's like, where you like to go?
Going to the movie.
I've been here for 1 year. Well, roughly 2 years. And shit. I don't know if my accent is still strong. Is it still strong? I like the accent. You do. Okay.
I
I like
really make two.
Hmm?
I mean roughly two. What's two?
2
Exactly.
years. Like, I got here in March. Wait, I've been here for 2 years. Let me do the math. I got here in 2019. And it's 2021 now. But it's not March yet, so
No, you
Yeah.
got a couple days.
got a couple weeks. You talking about?
What you mean? You got a week and a half.
But yeah, it's hella cold, man. This is my second winter and all this snow. I'm not even used to this shit. I don't know how I'm out here right now, but I'm glad I'm here because I got to meet you. Look at these dudes.
It's really hot. It's kind of toasty in here. That's why you're out here.
It's gotta be toasty. My flag is the sun. Okay. I'm capping. You was playing though. You don't know about Jamaica.
No.
But yeah, you hella cute though, man. Like I came out and I saw you going in there. I'm like, I had to talk to her and see what's up.
Oh,
for
you
real.
waited on me?
Yeah, I'm a very busy person, you know, but I had to wait on her. But yeah, where you trying to go for a date?
Guys, see, I don't eat seafood or none of that stuff. I'm picky.
Well, I
We
eat
gotta
like
find common ground.
I eat everything except Japanese. So I don't like that shit. So we can choose between that. I don't eat Japanese food. I can't do that. So we could go for a date. Could I vlog it though? Cause like I'm vlogging my life and shit now.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
And you gotta look all cute cause my piece they gonna want to see you.
Next time I'm gonna be 10 toes.
10 toes no fold.
Mhm.
Real though. So what should I like? Where are we going? What's the say? Where are we going?
We can go. I need some Olive Garden pasta. Everyone likes pasta.
Is that your boyfriend texting you? Oh, you got an Apple Watch? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So Olive Gardens, I've never been there before. Well, I've been there once. I wasn't really. We can go.
It wasn't really what.
I don't know. Maybe I had the wrong thing. I wasn't really like turned on to it. We can do that though.
It's because it's meant for the white people. You just gotta season it. You gotta eat your salt and pepper.
What's your favorite food, by the way? Like,
anything chicken. I eat chicken all day long.
we black, so
yeah.
y'all. Okay.
Well, no, because y'all black people, y'all be
Y'all.
like, yeah. Y'all be like, well, we having a fish fry and this, and that. No, I'm okay.
You really don't like seafood, is that it? Okay.
I don't like seafood.
Alright, shit. Let me get your number then. Can I get your number? How am I gonna contact you for the date? See, you ain't
We
smart.
gonna run into each other.
So I'm gonna run into you at Olive Gardens. Why you playing with me like that, man? You capping. Not even your Instagram. We gotta get. So you're in my car, and I'm not able to get your number though.
No, I was just fine with
Oh,
you.
okay. All right. But when would be a good day? You know the crazy thing is.
What?
Wait, go continue.
No, go.
Say, my birthday is next week. That's crazy. Let me hear your number though.
What day?
Huh?
What day?
Thursday, the 18th.
What are you doing?
I don't know. Maybe go to Chicago. I don't know though. Well, you trying to do something for my birthday? I ain't going to Olive Garden for my birthday. I know that. Oh, no.
Yeah, we can turn up.
Turn up.
Yeah. Hit the clubs.
Okay. Shit. Oh, the clubs. Okay, you legal. Okay. All right then. Fuck with that. When's your birthday?
March 14th.
Wait, it's the next month.
Yes, sir.
What are you trying to do for yours?
Trying to go out. We go fly out somewhere.
That's what you be
go to
doing?
Vegas, yeah.
Oh shit, you drive a 2020 car, so I guess that's what you do. You go into my phone like it's yours. Like, can I get my phone back? Okay.
No.
To me. Alright, then I guess I'll call you to me. It was last meeting. Where you going?
Where am I going?
For your birthday?
Vegas.
Might
Trying to meet us there?
No.
No.
I ain't trying to lose all that money right now. You know, that YouTube check. It be paying, but not that much now. Vegas, I ain't got a 2020 car. I got a 2019 now, you know, so. But
Hey,
shit.
what's wrong with the 2019? You ain't far behind.
Nah. It's all good. It's all good. When I get my challenge, it's gonna be raps though. I'm capping, man. But I'm gonna sure call you though. I gotta go home and edit some videos and shit. So it was nice meeting you. To me, you remember my name?
Yeah.
No. What's my name?
Tyreek.
Oh, she said she's sexy. Okay. Alright. I like your laugh too. You got a nice laugh, man. But I'll call you. Alright.
Okay.
Alright. See you. We'll see you at Olive Gardens, I guess.
Yeah.
Alright.
For your birthday.
You stay around here, by the
For
way?
your birthday.
For my birthday?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, man. I can do that. I didn't have shit planned anyways. But alright.
You just said Chicago.
Alright.
You can't make it. I can tell you can't make up your mind.
It's like I don't know what I really want to do, but I maybe go to Chicago just to go on a trip. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'll see you. I'll call you later.
Later.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Alright, beautiful.
See ya. Stop playing.
You leaving a smoothie? Can
Huh?
I have it? Can I have your smoothie?
No,
Okay.
you should have got a bigger one.
Alright. Shit. Damn, y'all. That shit crazy. Look at this motherfucker, y'all. Look at her. She whipping a 2020 car, y'all. That shit crazy, y'all. Damn. But y'all, I'm finna slide over here, but I just got her number and shit, y'all. That shit crazy. Hold up. Let me put my fucking seatbelts on real quick. Hold up. Let me get out the road. I'm gonna put my seatbelts on, y'all. That shit crazy, y'all. Whoa. What? Damn, yo, that's the vlog. That's the vlog. That is a vlog. I'll see y'all in another one. I'm finna call her. Peace out, y'all. Like, look out the window.